Hi, Student Banner. This is Diane, the librarian. So the best way that we'll be able to look for your search query will be using the library.sjsu.edu website. So it does look like this. You are going to go into OneSearch and you will type your search query, and in this case it will be, what did I tell you? Books in a digital age. So books in a digital age. And then you can hit enter or hit the magnifying glass there. And once that loads, you should see search results for books talking about how youth, for example, see books. Is print dead? Books in our digital age. Who needs books? The enduring book. The recommended book that I was talking about is number 10, Reading in the Digital Age, Young Children's Experiences with eBooks. I feel this kind of pertains more to the topic that you're trying to discuss. It covers, diverse aspects of ebooks, features, and ebook uses. Here. So I think this would be beneficial for what you're looking for that English paper. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to me, and hopefully we can get you some help with that. Thank you.